Hello everyone. I want to ask you one question. Have you ever been in a situation where you were falling short of English words? Or else have you ever been in a situation where you knew the answer, the thought was right there in your mind, but it was in your local language and you were not able to convert it into English? Or have you ever been in a situation where you were learning English language and you keep on trying, and one day you just gave up and thought that English language is not my cup of tea? Have you ever been in any of the situations? If yes, then I think you are at the right place. Hello everyone, my name is Shruti Soni. I welcome you all to my channel Learning English is Fantastic, which is an enthusiastic platform for all the English language learners who want to improve their spoken English in the simplest way and fast and better too. So here we go. Being a non-native English speaker, spoken English has always been a struggle. And everyone knows that English language is one of the integral parts of our communication skills. So in today's lesson, I'm going to share with you all some of the essential tips to improve your spoken English. So my first tip is, yes, I can do it. Yes, I can do it. Yes, guys, you need to discard the thought, I can't do it, and replace it with the thought, yes, I can do it. It's very necessary to ignite that passion, that zeal in you towards this learning process of English language. If you are get tired of your own learning practices, then adopt new ideas, adopt new learning practices, but do not give up in between. So if you want to be a fluent speaker, you have to be confident, you have to be affirmative, and you have to be passionate. So my second tip is entertainment. Yes, entertainment. Because to learn English language, you need some learning source. And if that learning source is going to have some sort of entertainment and fun, then I think your learning journey will be way easier. Don't you think so? Because it is not compulsory that everyone is a bibliophile, and now we are living in this digital world where we have like flood of movies, English web series, and English songs, audiobooks or whatnot. So adopt your learning source wisely, and so that it can help you out to improve your spoken English. So my third tip is synonyms. Yes, do not restrict yourself to one word. Be open to the other meanings of the word. So learning a new word in a day is definitely a great hack, but it will definitely work as the cherry on the cake if you will learn the synonyms of the word also. So firstly, definitely it is going to to enhance your English vocabulary, and definitely it is going to improve your spoken English also. For example, nowadays everyone is on social media, everyone is likes other posts and pictures, and we comment also, and we share our information and thought. So the most common word that I have seen is beautiful. So instead of writing beautiful, you can start with the new words like attractive, charming, adorable, ravishing, splendid. So can you see, like, you can make your language attractive by using the new words. The fourth tip is scripting, means writing or making notes. And I know many of you do not like to make notes or to write something, but it has been said that when we write something, so it requires our physical energy. So when we write something and our physical energy is used, it helps us to remember the things very easily. So if you are not a notebook friendly person, so again we are getting digital, so we have lots of notebook app also in our phone. So what is the purpose of writing anything? So whenever you come across with any new word or a phrase or an idiom, you should straight away jot down those words, phrases, idioms, or any other part of English language straight away into your notebook, so that it will help you out to remember the things effectively and easily, so that you can use them in your daily life communication. So my fifth tip is practice makes a man perfect. Yes, the most important part, guys, you need to practice your spoken English. If you're not getting an environment, then create that environment for you to speak English. Like, there are lots of ways, there are lots of practices where you can improve your spoken English. The best way you can do, like for your daily life communication, like you must be talking to your friends, to your family, to your brothers, sisters, and many people. So talk to them in English only. If you're talking to them over the phone, if you are talking to them via any social media, talk to them in English only. Try to find out the words, the sentences, the daily sentences that you can use in your daily life. So you can start with your daily life practices so that you can move ahead with the intermediate level and then the advanced level. So my last and the sixth tip is, and the most vital one, you cannot ignore this tip, is learning from your mistake. Yes, guys, learning from your mistake. If you're making any mistake during your learning process, admit them, improve them, and learn from them. Do not get ashamed of your mistakes, because you can be your best teacher, right? So next time if you're making any mistake, then do admit them, improve them, and learn from them. So guys, these are my 6 essential tips. I hope that these tips will help you out to improve your spoken English. And if you like this video, then like it, share it, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell icon button to get the notification for my future videos. Till then, see ya.